Now that our butter is hot, we'll add our mushrooms and our diced boiled ham. We'll season this with a little bit of salt and black pepper. Maybe a half a teaspoon of salt, half as much black pepper, just a dash. And we'll let that cook. We want to cook this until the mushrooms are somewhat browned and tender. By that time the ham should be thoroughly heated as well. I'm going to add just a little bit of butter. Just a little more. The mushrooms and ham are coming along nicely. Just a little longer. You can see some of the mushrooms are completely cooked. So we want them to be soft and tender like this one here. There we go. Now it's looking good. When your mushrooms and ham are at this point, what you want to do is put the pan in the refrigerator while you prep your steak. This will allow the ham and mushrooms to cool down. When you stuff the steak, you'll be lining the steak with blue cheese. You don't want to put this in the steak hot. It will melt the cheese immediately, and it's hard to work with the steak. So we will let this cool, and we'll prep the steaks and then stuff them.